How to fix TikTok watch history on TikTok. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, what you should do, just go and open the settings of your device or your phone. Then you will go directly to apps or application, and here you will find all the application that you have on your phone and you are interested just in TikTok. So you have to search for it, and when you found it, just open it like this and go to storage option here and go to the last button, clear data. Click OK and go back and click on for stopping. You have now to restart your phone, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.